struck up quite a relationship with my friend here. The Bionic Man, as you say, build cost around about $1 million, so we reckon he's the $1 million man. You can probably hear his heart pumping away. See this artificial heart here, pumping the artificial blood all around his system. Some of these medical organs, these artificial organs actually are used. Some of them are going through clinical trials. We've also got lungs here, got a pancreas, and of course artificial limbs, which we're a little bit more used to seeing, I suppose, all put together as part of a special project. Let's bring in Rich Walker. Rich, you're the robotics man. You've drawn all of these elements together. How significant is he?
We found this project really, really significant. When we started, we had no idea quite how close prostheticists had got to being able to rebuild a human being and being able to pick and choose between all the body parts available to put together something just like a human was really a very powerful experience for us.
And I suppose the key thing is we've been saying it's a little bit like science fiction, but some of this equipment, of course, the limbs most obviously, are in use right now.
Yeah, some of these parts you'll find on people who are actually walking around because of these parts. Things like the artificial retina, again, are letting people see out in the real world. And then we fuse those with some advanced robotics technology, so from the state-of-the-art in robotics and the state-of-the-art in medicine, to give this amazing hybrid.
OK, let's also bring in Professor Alexander Seifalian from the University College London. This is your bit here, I think. Just describe to us the elements that you've worked on. And again, with your elements, they actually have been used.
So we made trachea,
yes,
and we put in the patient. Patient is now about 18 months. Patient is alive, healthy, in Iceland, and made out synthetic material and stem cell. So we put them together, and that's what. Also, we make artery. So we make artery for heart. We make artery for leg, and so on. And the artery going to clinical trial in 6 months' time for bypass graft for heart, which funded by Wellcome Trust. And we make also ureter and bladder and those kind of stuff here. And yeah, those are we make,
So you're used to working on some of those organs, probably in isolation. What's it like to see the components assembled in this replica in this artificial environment?
So while Rich was putting all the what do you call it, hand and arm and face together, and I was putting everything inside together. So it was really exciting, not just for me, my research team, and looking at all these different organs coming from different countries, and I had to test them and put them together, And so since then, we set up lots of collaboration, working with Harvard, Leicester, and Swansea, all these people, and just seeing all these people, different people making organs similar to us, and that was very exciting for us,
Gentlemen, thank you very much indeed. A very exciting project, real global project, as you've heard. Some of it current technology, some of it future technology, but putting it all together, well, who knows when we'll see a robot like this. I'm sure you'll agree. Do you agree? No.